guys, we're back with Tosca, and Tosca is the deaf Great Dane, and she doesn't have any training, even though I've already started working with the pager this weekend, because you've got to be able to get one to come back. So what we're doing is using something called the sound box that you'll be able to hear when the collar is vibrating. She's already understanding that pager is me. It's really no different than training a dog that can hear, except for the fact that we're adding hand signals. The initial stages where we're going to condition the dog to heel and all that isn't any different. There isn't going to be a hand signal or anything for that. So, you know, apparently before she was walked with a head halty and was unmanageable. Have any physical advantage on a dog like this. She's so strong. Just going to use the pager to turn her. Can't stress enough in these initial stages. You must seem very deliberate about your walking. I'm not continuing to keep looking at the dog. Leaders do not keep looking back to see where the followers are. If they perceive another dog as a leader, they're following that dog desperately, and that dog isn't paying any attention to them. So. Shaping the behavior of heel. We'll get her heeling, we'll get her downing. See, she's mouthing at my hand, which is what she did. And a lot of times they'll do that when they perceive you as trying to take a leadership role. I'm going to stop the dog halfway. And at this point, I'm not going to correct. There's no correction, so I'm just ignoring the mouthing. So that's where you're starting out. The second thing that we're doing, which falls under the same umbrella, you guys, is the recall. That is going to be the most important thing for a deaf dog, is to be able to get it to come. So we're going to follow the same rule. Poor Ashley. That must have been a good shot. We're going to follow the same rule as we do with the hearing dogs. I'm only going to call her when her back is turned. That is where you get into a bind with a deaf dog. It doesn't matter what hand signals it knows. If it isn't looking at you, that is a fatal flaw with the hand signal methodology. She probably came in Friday, you guys, so again, we're just starting out. I guarantee this dog's going to be amazing. Yesterday it just popped up. I don't know why I watched this stuff. It's like a train wreck. Every time the woman gave it a command, she went wah, 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 on its head. So I'm waiting till her back is turned. And I'm moving away. Got my treat ready. To break down Dana and give her canned food, because I guarantee she was fed canned food. She didn't want any part of that dry. She spilled it all over the place, so I'll try to get her weaned off that, but see what's happening. I'm keeping holding it down. That may sound like a long time, but if you really timed it, maybe that was 5 or 6 seconds. You have to be ready to keep holding it down. If I don't keep holding it down, she's doing fantastic. We're working on it. More updates soon.